Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone late at night, suddenly realizing you're still logged into your Neon bank account? Or maybe you're sharing your device with someone and want to ensure your financial details remain private. We've all been there. In today's digital age, where our finances are often just a tap away, understanding how to securely manage access to our banking apps is more crucial than ever. Neon Bank, with its sleek interface and convenient features, has become a popular choice for many. But just like any other banking platform, knowing how to properly log out is a fundamental aspect of maintaining your account's security. It might seem like a simple task, but overlooking this step can potentially expose your sensitive information. Think about it. Your banking app holds a treasure trove of personal and financial data. Leaving yourself logged in on a shared device or even your own phone if it falls into the wrong hands could lead to unauthorized access. That's why mastering the logout process is a non-negotiable skill for any Neon Bank user. So, if you've ever wondered, how exactly do I log out of my Neon Bank account, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure whenever you're not actively using it. The process for logging out of the Neon Bank app is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Here's how you do it. First, locate the Neon Bank app icon on your phone's home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Once the app has loaded and you're on the main dashboard or account overview screen, you'll want to look for the navigation menu. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu, usually located in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tap on this menu icon. Upon tapping the menu, a sidebar or a drop-down list will appear, presenting you with various options related to your account and the app settings. Scroll through this list until you find an option that clearly indicates log out or sometimes sign out. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it will be easily recognizable. Once you've located the log out option, simply tap on it. The app might then prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to log out. This is an added security measure to prevent accidental logouts. Confirm your decision by tapping Yes, Log Out, or a similar affirmative option. After confirming, the app will close your current session, and you'll be taken back to the login screen. This confirms that you have successfully logged out of your Neon Bank account. It's a good habit to always double-check that you've been returned to the login screen, especially if you're using a shared device. This visual confirmation ensures that your session has indeed been closed. Now, while the standard logout process is simple, here are a few extra tips to keep your Neon Bank account even more secure. Firstly, always ensure your phone itself is protected with a strong passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition. This acts as the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your device and, consequently, your banking apps. Secondly, be cautious about using public Wi-Fi networks when accessing sensitive information like your banking app. Public networks can be less secure, making your data potentially vulnerable. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, for an added layer of security. Thirdly, keep your Neon Bank app and your phone's operating system updated. These updates often include security patches that protect you from the latest threats. Finally, if you suspect any unauthorized access to your account, change your Neon Bank password immediately and contact their customer support. Logging out of your Neon Bank account is a small but significant step in safeguarding your financial information. By following these simple steps and incorporating the extra security tips, you can have greater peace of mind knowing your account is secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.